guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video with MBX. If you guys haven't heard of MBX, they are formerly known as Memebox. They are a global multi-brand beauty and personal care startup. They are the creators of multiple brands and they have come together to give us some products. So these products were sent to me by MBX. Just wanted to get that out of the way now. I am super excited to try them, but right now we are just going to be unboxing them. In the comments below, let me know which ones you would like to see reviews of and or use in a video the most. They carry the brands I Do Care, Otzi or OTZI, Nooni, Pony Effect, Kasha, and I'm Meme. So this is everything we got today. Actually, we have more. And I can't get it all in the screen, so I'm sorry. So the first product is by I Do Care, and this is the Straight Chillin' Cooling Aloe Sheet Masks. It comes in a really cute box. And it's kind of like wipes. Like it has a feeling of wipes. So you literally open this up, peel this off, and then you take the cute little included tweezers. Guys, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. And you pull your mask out to use it. Look at that. That is the cutest thing ever. And how easy is it, instead of having to like go in and open each sheet mask, you just go in here, pull one out, pop it on your face. That is amazing. This is the I Do Care Straight Chillin' Cooling Aloe Sheet Masks. And this has aloe vera leaf, cucumber, and lemon balm. It is cruelty-free and vegan. I'm really excited about these guys. All right. The next product is by I Do Care as well, and this is a super cute headband. This is the White Cat headband by I Do Care. It is microfiber and super soft and comfy. Look how adorable this is, guys. It is a cat headband. And you put it on as you do your skincare routine or your makeup or whatever you want. And it is the cutest thing ever. It is honestly the cutest thing ever. The next product is the I Do Care Mini Meow Trio. This is 3 mini chrome masks. So we have these 3 masks, which I'm super excited about. They are very cute. They all have little smiley faces on the top. How adorable is that? Oh my goodness, this brand is so cute. So the first one is I Do Care Sugar Kitten Hydrating Holographic Peel Off Mask. Ooh, it smells very fresh and clean. Ooh, and it's glittery. Well, shimmery, I would say. The next one is I Do Care Disco Kitting Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. Ooh, this one smells... What does that smell like? It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I might have to purchase more of these. The last one is the I Do Care Space Kitten T-Zone Clearing Galactic Black Peel Off Mask. Ooh, it is so black. Ooh, it's so... Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I do not see the scents, but they all 3 smell amazing. The next product is also by Nooni, and this is the Apple Tea Lip Oil, which I'm actually really excited about. This is what it looks like. It is a green, and it is exactly what it sounds like. It is a lip oil. Ooh, it smells... Oh, it smells so good. So this is the Apple Tea Lip Oil. I am really excited about this. I feel like this may be my everyday hydrator. The next product that I have here is by Nooni, and this is the Barrier On Face Moisturizer. This is what it looks like. It's a very sleek packaging. And it says a moisturizer that is formulated with vegan pre-probiotics and ceramide to help strengthen skin moisture barrier for a supple and soft face, hands, and body. Smell it. Let me smell it. Let me smell it. So you open it at the top and then you twist it. And it comes out the top. Oh my gosh. It kind of comes out like a flower. Smells like, doesn't really have a scent, which is good for a lot of people. Oh my goodness, that is such a cool concept. Ooh, that is also very, very nice feeling. The next product that I'm gonna be showing you guys is the Snowflake Cleansing Water. This is also by Nooni. Ooh, once again, very sleek packaging. The packaging is very sleek and I really, really like it. So this is a no-rinse cleansing water that gently removes makeup and impurities, leaving skin clean and fresh. I really, really like the simplicity and chicness looking of the Nooni products. Last two. The first one is the Kasha Beauty Bento, and this is an eyeshadow trio, and it's pink. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm really, really excited. I have one of these already, and I really, really love it. So, the first one is this gorgeous, super pretty pink. Oh my god. The second one is this beautiful, like I want to say sunrise pink, and it is so pretty. This one's matte. And then the last one is this deep purple. By the way, this is the Hella Azalea. The next and last product is this by Kasha as well. This is the sparkling eye pigment, and this is in the color Luminary. So this is a sparkling eye pigment. So this is what it looks like. I am really excited because I love cream eyeshadows. I love cream pretty much anything. So this is it on. Oh, that is so pretty, guys. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, my camera is not doing it justice. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, and it dries so fast. Wow. Okay, it didn't work because it dried too fast. Let me try again. Look at that guy. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. It dries so fast. I really, really like that. Let's look at that. Ooh! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use these products. All right, so that is it. This was my MBX, or previously known as Meme Box haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments below, and let me know what products you want to see me use the most. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.